So what is Tenacious Techies Freedom Challenge? What is the whole concept behind the idea developed for freelancers, entrepreneurs, consultants and businesses who like to start their own online business, but you don't know where to get started? If you see, a lot of software startups across the world have gained over $1 billion in valuation, like Eventbrite, Upwork, Uber Eats, Zomato, Mr. Delivery, Just Eats, Mr. D, Swiggy, and many more, depending upon which part of the world you are located. These companies are valued so high as the market is huge, and each of these companies are growing every day. What does these companies do? They solve problems of small business owners in streamlining their business operation and improve sales. The reason they are valued so high is once the software is developed and the business model is proven, they just have to replicate the same model everywhere they like to expand. Even expansion needs money, and that's the reason they get funded by investors so that they can add fuel to their growth story. If you have a chance to invest in these startups, would you do it? I bet you want to. But you will need to have a huge amount of investment to get a small percentage of these companies. I want to give you an opportunity to make this investment in starting your own technology startup. The Tenacious Techies Freedom Challenge. The Tenacious Techies Freedom Challenge allows you to have your own successful online business within 12 weeks. In these 12 weeks, you will have a chance to learn SEO, Facebook marketing, social media marketing, Google AdWords, blogging, YouTube, direct marketing, cold calling, and much more. We will also give you a complete white label website set up on your own name so that whenever you approach a client or a customer, they see that you are well-established local brand. Apart from this, the challenge gives you a conditional guarantee to get your investment back within 12 weeks if you follow the exact process and system which is provided in the training. You will need to put an average of 2 to 4 hours every day in this business. If somehow you don't get your investment back, we will personally walk with you until you get your investment back and till you are confident to go to the market on your own. Unfortunately, the Partner Success Program Freedom Challenge is not for everyone. We are very careful who we like to work with. The partner program is only available to you if you see a big opportunity to promote the innovative solution we have developed to help businesses in your city. You are proactive and can follow the systems and processes which gives results. You are willing to put 2 to 4 hours on daily basis into your own business. You want to start generating passive income working online. So if you believe you have what it takes to start a successful online business, then let's talk about entrepreneurs who have already joined us and doing it. Dean from UK, who is the general manager of Marriott Group of Hotels in Ethiopia. Katharina, who is running her own business from home. Admire from South Africa, who works in an IT infrastructure space. Srinivas from India, who was working as a vice president for Citibank in Singapore since 17 years. These entrepreneurs saw the opportunity. I have a number of stories which I can share, and you will have a chance to become part of this growing community. The Freedom Challenge gives you the opportunity to start your own digital consultancy business in your own city without any risk. This is the only challenge which provides 100% return over investment guaranteed. If you spend the next 12 weeks with dedication, put in your time, put in the effort and take action, I assure you, you will get your investment back. And if you don't, I will personally work with you until you get it. So, if starting an online business excites you, then I am excited to help you during this 12-week challenge. I appreciate your time in watching this video and I look forward to welcome you. Thank you.